Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. So today we are from group 2 going to present to all of you guys about communication using audio visual aids.
Hi guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum. My name is Imran.
What are audio-visual aids? Audio-visual aids are the instructional method of education that uses audio and visual as the mode of learning. The literal meaning of audio is hearing, and the visual means that is seen by eyes. Next, the example of audio-visual aids are like computer, television, projector film, and others.
So basically, according to Barton, audio-visual aids is a sensory of objectives and image which stimulate and emphasize on learning process. While according to the Carter V, audio-visual aids can be in term of motivation, classification, and stimulation, which is a part of our learning process. Besides, all this learning material make the learning situation as real as possible and give us first-hand knowledge through the organs of hearing and seeing. Therefore, any device which can be used to make the learning experience more concentrated and effective, more realistic and dynamic, and can be considered as audio-visual materials.
Today, I want to share with you all about the tips or guidelines how to present the visual aids in front of the audience. First of all, display visual aids where listeners can see them. You can see or show the visual aids and put at the place that can be seen easily by everyone. Don't stand the visual aids behind the speaker or behind you, and use the pointer that can show at the visual aid from the long distance. Second, avoid passing visual aids from other people's to other people's. Audience will lose their control or lose their concentration to the speakers if we pass the visual aids to the others. So, keep the copies of the footnote after you finish the talk as well. Last and not least, display visual while discussing. Display visual aids while discussing with the audience and the others and the speakers. Keep it out until you are ready to discuss the visual aids with others. And add black size if you using PowerPoint or your slides from your computer. That's all from me.
My name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Yamadi from Group 2, and I have advantages of audio-visual presentation aid. First, the audio-visual advantage is that listeners are able to get direct experience of a story or something. This is because they are able to get imagine the story based on the sound and picture that we show to them. This makes it easier for them to better understand as well as feel what the presenter is feeling. In fact, they will also have fun with the easy to understand the story. In addition, listeners will also be able to grow the accurate image when they see and hear properly. Comprehension in receiving information will be more receptive and similar to that conveyed when the listener be able to imagine the same thing as being narrated. Then they will not disagree and get the right knowledge and information. That's all from me. Thank you.
And so today we'll be talking about the advantages of using audio-visual aids in our presentation. So basically there are two advantages that I'll be telling you guys. First and foremost, audio-visual aids helps us to make learning process more effective and conceptual. Why I say so? Because it helps us to grab the attention of the audiences, the students, and so on. If you look at nowadays situation, how the Ministry of Education in Malaysia have implied the PAK21, which is Pembelajaran Abad ke-21. The example I will give you is, have you ever done your assignment using your PowerPoint slide and the teacher or the lecturer asks you to present in front of your class using the projector, which is you have to explain and at the same time the other students will looking at your PowerPoint slides. So it is the example of the audio visual aids, and it helps the students and the teachers as it enhances the energy level of teaching and learning, and it is even better for overburdened classroom. So the advantages number 2 that I'll be telling you is the audio visual aids is make your explanation in more clearer picture. So now I will tell you some quotes. Trust is like a paper. Once it's crumpled, it can't be perfect again. So the moment when you look at me crumple this paper, you will be try to relate, or you will be even try to understand the situation. When trust that you give to people, when they lie to you or when they make you upset, they still can believe in you, but it's never will be the same again as before. So it's all from me. That's all from me. Thank you.